All right, welcome back. Dessert diva Danette Randall. She is here celebrating the Kentucky Derby with us. Check it out. So we are making mint julep cupcakes.
This is exciting.
Julep cupcakes. As you know, the mint julep is the official drink of the Kentucky Derby. So we're gonna whip it into
I need some
a
bourbon.
little
Is there
treat.
any bourbon?
There's a little bourbon
Oh,
right
nice.
here.
Okay,
I got more back
All
there,
right.
Gail, if you need it.
That's for after the show.
That's for, you know, with the cupcake. But the cupcake is infused with a little bourbon.
Okay.
You can do it with, you can do it without. I'm going to show you. So basically, I made a mint julep cupcake. So all a mint julep really is bourbon. I mean, it's, you know, some mint and a little bit of sugar, and it's bourbon and shaved ice. So we've got a basic vanilla. I did fresh mint. You can kind of see I have little cupcakes for you there. There's fresh mint in it, which is really important. I didn't even use mint extract in the cupcake, just the mint. And then on top of it, I did a buttercream mint frosting, which is similar to the mint julep. It has the same thing, the crushed mint and the buttercream and the sugar. And well, there's no buttercream in a mint julep, but you know.
It smells amazing.
But yeah, and then I have these little, you know, it's Run for the Roses, the Kentucky Derby. So you just get these little Wilton roses and put on top, or whatever brand you find. You can get them anywhere.
They look
and
so
then
good.
What I did was I used bourbon extract to kind of taste, mock that little bit of bourbon taste, but also for those that enjoy the hooch, I've got these little pipettes, they're called, and you can get these at Target, you can get these at a lot of different places, Michael's, and they're called pipettes, and that is bourbon.
Really?
So yeah, so let's go. So
Let's do it.
So this is the buttercream frosting, so just kind of frost your cupcake. Do the top, and what I'm going to show you is how to do the bourbon. So
should we race?
Also, yeah, it is a race. Also, while you guys are doing that, you can also do a non-alcoholic. Again, like I said, it's basically bourbon, so it's hard to duplicate, but you can kind of get the flavor. So I've got mint here, a little bit of bourbon extract, some simple syrup. It's good to have simple syrup on hand. You can use this for a lot of things. It's 1 part water, 1 part sugar. Now we're just going to muddle that. Crushed ice. Not on your cupcake, but you know, like that. And then we're gonna do a little bit of iced tea, and I'm telling you, with that little bit of bourbon extract and fresh mint, for those that don't drink, this actually is a really good swap out for that. A little iced tea mint. Okay, did you do it? I thought I was gonna have to show you how to do that.
Not when it comes to bourbon.
Okay,
not when it comes to bourbon.
You can.
What are these called?
Pipettes.
I need a bigger
They're like
pipette.
little, I have like 4 or 5 extra. I'll just give them all to you. Did you do? Yeah, and see, you can either press it before you put in or put in. I think you get more if you go like this first, kind of pinch it, and then stick it in, and then let it go and see.
Fill that baby.
There, wait, let me give that to,
okay,
let me give that one to Gail.
Look how cool these are.
So take a little bite. I think you're gonna be, did you infuse it yet? Or
oh, you have to actually, no, she didn't infuse.
No, see, you have to, so then what happens is you take it
in there.
and you squeeze the bourbon in, and then it goes into the cake, and it adds just that little, it's just a little hit, you know, you're not gonna be like, hey, but
it's happy hour somewhere, Lee.
Yes.